Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I'm gonna show to make this animation with After Effects. Let's get started. So friends, first one, let's create new background layer. Let's add name background, click OK. Go to FX Presets, search Effect Fill. Select this fill, let's use for background and change color dark blue. Click OK. And let's Ctrl D for duplicate. Let's delete this fill. Go to FX Presets, search Effect Grid, and select this grid from Generate. Let's use here and change name Grid. Okay, let's go to Color, change like this. Click OK, and change corner point width slider. Change slider like this. Okay, select this grid. Let's link to background. And select two layers, click this checkbox for 3D layers. Okay, let's create new camera. Don't change any settings, click OK. Let's right mouse, go to camera and create orbit null for control camera movements. For move anchor point center, hold Ctrl, double click this icon. And click station tool, select this camera, let's press C. I will use C in keyboard for shortcut for change camera movements. Also we can go to here, hold this icon, and we can see here all tools for change camera movements or views. Okay, so let's change view like this. Okay, and select this camera, let's press R, change rotation, and press C. Let's zoom to here. Okay, select this grid, let's change grid like this. Okay. So let's go to text and click here. Let's write motion design. Click station tool and move to center. Change font size. And let's double click. Change first text light and change color white. Okay, click station tool and select this text. Let's click checkbox for 3D layer. Okay, press R and change X rotation 90 and press C, change camera movement. Let's move to back and let's change font size here. Okay, select this null object. Let's change null like this and move to here. Okay, we can change font size more like this. Okay, select this grid, change grid like this, and change border to. Okay, not bad. Okay, let's select this text and move to back a little bit. Let's put here on this line, and let's try move to down a little bit. Okay. So select this null object and let's go to 7 seconds. Make new keyframes for X, Y and Z. Go to first second and let's try change like this. Okay, let's see animation. Okay, looks good. And we can change more Y. Let's see. Okay, not bad. Change more Z rotation. Let's see. Okay. So let's change a little bit X rotation. Okay, so select this background, press S, change scale like this. And let's move to down. Okay. So let's go to FX Presets, search Effect Glow. And select this glow. Let's use for text. Change glow settings. Okay, not bad. So right now let's select this camera. Let's open inside, open camera options. And click default field. and change aperture 200, or let's change 150, and let's change quality quarter, change focus distance. Okay, and let's go to here and make focus distance, aperture and blur level. Let's change blur level 150 and aperture 200. Go to here and let's go to 7 seconds. Let's press N and change distance like this. Okay, let's see. Let's change quality full. Okay, that's good. So let's change quality quarter, and I want to add shadow here. Let's right mouse, new and solid layer. Add name shadow. Click OK. And let's close settings. Select this shadow. Let's move to behind text layer and click for 3D layer. Let's see. Okay. And move to behind. So go to pen tool and let's make mask like this. Click session tool and select this shadow. Let's double click M for open mask 1 and change mask feather 25. Let's change quality full. Okay, let's select this shadow and select this green arrow. Move to back like this. Okay, nice. And let's select the shadow. Let's move to down a little bit. And select this text. Move to up a little bit. Okay. Enough. So I want to more move up this text for see this G letter. Okay. Let's see. Okay, not bad. So let's see full animation. Okay, not bad. So thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video, and please follow me on Instagram. Good luck.